GB Labs to bring their unified file system to broadcast Asia, read the headline. But what does unified mean, and well, why would you want it? So starting with the basics, nearly every media project from production to consumption relies on a collection of media files that are all related to each other. Now, when these projects are used on different systems, the file paths to find those files can be represented in one of three different ways. An absolute path, like this one, tells the Windows, Mac or Linux system the absolute path to the location of that asset. And if I move my project to a subfolder because I like a tidy file system, then none of the components can find each other because they've all changed their absolute file positions. A relative path means that the components are accessed with a path relative to their friends. So if I move the whole project to a subfolder, it should have no impact, except many bits of software on their insides, they actually use absolute paths, and there's nothing that you, the humble user, can do about it. Now, object keys is the third approach, where the HTTP path to your file identifies the file regardless of whether it's stored in Australia or London or Singapore. Unfortunately, not all systems support native object store, and some systems never will for good technical reasons. So GB Labs Unifying Store uses some software magic to ensure that whether you're working at home in your laptop or in an edit suite or on location or on a train, then all of your apps will just work because the path resolution works at that very, very low block level that fools the operating system into thinking that you're actually on site with your laptop sitting in small conference room B with a stain on the carpet when actually you're basking in the sunshine on a glorious beach in color coats. Nice job, GB Labs. I love a bit of software magic.